Hello everyone, welcome to Night 3 Asylum Night Shift Night 3. Same thing as always, monitor patients and make sure no one escapes. Here's the small office.
Hey buddy, it's Jake here, down on level 2. Me and the guys had a little wager that you wouldn't last more than 2 nights. Looks like I'm out of pocket. You've got a third patient in tonight, Buzzsaw Barry. Buzzsaw Barry's a regular here, and it seems he's back to his old lunatic ways. The doctors have allowed him to keep his chainsaw. They say it helps teach him the value of responsibility. Personally, I would at least empty the fuel out, but hey, what do I know? I'm just security. No news from David Maintenance today, so I'm afraid you're still stuck with just being able to close 3 doors at a time. Well, that's it, buddy. You're going to have a busy night, so I'll leave you to it.
Okay, new patient, are they already escaping? Let's see, who is it? Oh, it's Nitaranis. Oh no. I wonder if this is the new patient. Buzzsaw Barry. I wonder where is he? No, I think that's Master Giggles, yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, it's Jason. Actually, it's like Jason. He's like Jason and Leatherface mixed together. Yeah, those two. Hey, why did the doors close? Oh no, the security system is failing again. I'm going to use the music. That was lucky. Okay, Master Googles is in the doctor's office. This is so dangerous. Oh no. Russell barely escaped. Oh no, he was at my door now. At least the alarm work. Okay, everything seems to be chaos. Okay. Little Annex went to the food hall, luckily. What time is it? 3 AM. So far so good. Here they are. Need to close that door now. As you can see, it's rather chaotic tonight compared to the other nights. And the doors are opening, so I guess in more maintenance problems. And now he turned his chainsaw on now. Wait, where's little Ennis? Oh, this is. Need to make sure that Barry does not come to my office. Oh no. The door. The door problem has happened again. Let's see what's happening here. It's still 4 a.m. I was expecting the time to be different now. Oh no, Mr. Giggles left. Everyone left. Maybe he's still here. I don't get it. Why is he just trying to go through that though, despite like rolls it all the time? Where's Barry? And look at the mess in this hallway. The most dangerous mental asylum ever, as you can see. Oh yes, it's 5 a.m. Just one more hour of patient monitoring. They lie about that monitor patient welfare in the newspaper article because basically you had to look after yourself and not the patients. Yes! Night shift complete. Nightfall. Thanks for watching. Nightfall will be made into a different video. Goodbye.